Here it is. This is after I cleaned up what was salvageable. I first came, and that big table was flipped upside down. The couch was upside down against the front door. There's our TV and everything else. It's the living room, and you can see the paint starting to peel on the walls already. The water was up to probably about the middle of the light switch. Refrigerator flipped. I still haven't opened it. I'm a little scared too. Not sure what the smell is going to be, so I'm going to leave that for somebody else to do. Before we left, we tried to throw as much stuff on top of the counters as possible, hoping and praying that the water wouldn't get that high. But unfortunately, we weren't so lucky. You can see here the water pressure and everything. It just broke the cabinet door clean off. There's the rest of it. Washer and dryer area. Dryer is not so dry. That's the pantry. That's part of the $400 grocery bill that my wife had the day before we left. And head on to the back of the house. And then again, remember, we have already cleaned up 90% of this stuff. Lights don't work back here for some reason, but there's a bunch of stuff in the tub. I'm not real sure exactly what's in there. There's Tyler's room. He came with me the second day. First day actually. I'm sorry. It was a shock to see. He's kind of picked through everything that he could get, everything that's salvageable, everything that he wants, everything that means something to him. He's got it. His TV was on top of his dresser, with the TV sitting up top. You can see the water line on the bed on that board over there. That's how high the water was in his room. Moving on over to Emily's room, which is just as bad. It had her bed just about flipped over. Dresser, headboard, everything. You can see some of the marks on the wall, how high the water was. There's TV, computer, all of our computers, all of our electronics are shot. Everything on top of the closets was saved. Everything was dry. We were able to save that. Anything below that shelf right there? Yeah, well, it was gone. So, you know, it is what it is. We'll start over. And here's my bedroom. We left. We grabbed everything we could, threw it on top of the bed, try and get it out the way. We had about 45 minutes to leave. That's how fast the water came in. See on my headboard, you can kind of see it starting to warp already. It's soaked, waterlogged. Mattress. All of our clothes were soaking wet. I think when we left, each one of us maybe grabbed two sets extra of clothes. And that's pretty much about it. Grabbed ourselves, each other, our dogs, and what we had on our backs. We left. Fortunately, we were able to save our vehicles also. So this is our bathroom. It looks worse than the rest of the house. So kind of glad y'all can't see it. It's got, hell, I don't even know. It's got crap everywhere. Tub's backed up. Water backed up into it. It's pretty surreal. Work all your life to build up, buy things, and provide for your family. Then 45 minutes is gone. But I thank God daily for my family, especially my parents, my in-laws, being there for us and helping us. Yeah, especially at this time. We're not the only ones that are going through this right now. So as hard as it may be for me, believe it or not, I actually feel pretty fortunate. I haven't figured out how yet, but I do. Hope all y'all just cherish every minute you have with your family. 'Cause you never know. Everything can be over in a flash. Flash flood even. Cherish the memories, cherish the time. Don't put anything off. Spend the time with your kids, because before you know it, they'll be gone. God bless you, everyone. Stay safe.